1 year ago I made some Jack Skellington Christmas balls and I really do like that idea. So this year I'm going to make a Christmas ball too, but I'm going to make it in emo and Jack Skellington style. So I'm going to make an emo Christmas ball, but another Christmas ball than the thing I made 1 year ago. I think I'm going to use for the basic glitter Christmas ball with glitters, because glitters are really Christmas-like, so I do like that for my emo Christmas ball. And I'm also going to use some white and black painting. So first we're going to paint the Jack Skellington head. The thing I'm going to do next is I'm going to paint with some black the mouth of Jack Skellington and the face, and then I'm also going to draw some stripes on the Christmas ball, so then it's really emo and Jack Skellington like. I also do like to decorate my Christmas ball. Well, because I'm always wearing bows in my hair and I think bows are really emo. I'm going to use some ribbons for my Christmas ball, so then I can give my Christmas ball also a bow. So then it looks really emo, and I think it will look really beautiful. Ta-da! This is my Christmas ball, my emo Christmas ball. I'm really proud of it and I really like it. I hope you like it too, and I hope I inspired you. It is really fun to make, but it's also really hard work. But I'm going to hang this on my Christmas tree, and I hope you can make some too. Well, this was my new video, so bye!